Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most valuable functions you can use in Smartsheet, the Vlookup. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to pull information from one sheet into another, a skill that can save you tons of time and make your sheets work smarter for you. Let's jump right in. Imagine you've got a master list of fruits on one sheet, let's say apples, bananas, and pears. Maybe this list includes additional details too, like their stock levels, prices, or even their supplier info. And now you're working on another sheet where you need to automatically populate some of that fruit information based on a specific lookup value. This is where Vlookup absolutely shines. Alright, the first step is just to make sure your source data is ready. Picture your main fruit list, apples, bananas, and pears, each neatly arranged in rows, maybe apples in row 1, bananas in row 2, and so on. It's important your data doesn't have any gaps and that the value you want to search for is clearly present in the first column of your reference range. Otherwise, Vlookup might not find what you're after. Now move over to the sheet where you want to bring that data in. This is your destination sheet, here, where the magic happens. Click into the cell where you want your result to show up. Now start typing your formula. Equals Vlookup, search value at row and pause. What you're telling Smartsheet is, I want you to look for this value right in this row over in another list and give me a matching piece of info. Next, you need to show Smartsheet exactly where to look. After you type the comma, it's time to reference your other sheet. Click Reference Another Sheet and a dialog pops up. Now go over to your source, maybe it's called Demo Sheet, and select the range that covers all your fruit names and their related info. Smartsheet will wrap your selected area in something like Demo Sheet Range 1. That's just a placeholder for that whole fruit table. Now type a comma and then the number 1. This tells Smartsheet which column you want results from. If you're just pulling the fruit name itself, column 1 is perfect. If you needed, say, the price in column 2, you could swap out the 1 for a 2. It's all about which piece of info you want to bring over. After the next comma, type false. This is just Smartsheet's way of making sure the match has to be exact. It won't go guessing if it can't find it. So your full formula looks something like equals Vlookup, search value at row, demo sheet range 1, 1 false. Now hit enter. Smartsheet will think for a moment and then boom, you should see your matching value pop right in. If you don't, double check your search value and what's in your reference range. Even a small typo can trip up Vlookup. To make this formula repeat for every row in your column, just right-click on the cell with the formula and choose Convert to Column Formula. This is a huge time saver. Now, every new row you add will automatically perform the lookup for you. Don't worry if you don't see things populate instantly. Sometimes it takes a moment for Smartsheet to do its thing, especially if your sheets are big. And that's it, you've just leveled up your Smartsheet skills with Vlookup. If you ran into any snags or if you're curious about more advanced tricks, drop your questions in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.